Hi everyone. So today we will discuss about the visual art previous year paper. This is the previous year paper of 2012. So it will really help you to crack your UGC net. According to my experience, if you solve the previous year paper, so it will really help you to score better and to crack the UGC net, JRF or the UGC net, right? So today we will solve the question paper and I will give you the answer also, and you try to solve it by yourself, right? So read the question and just try to answer it. So let's start. So the first question is, during whose reign the Mughal architecture was predominantly इन्फ्लुएंस बाय राजस्थानी आर्किटेक्चर? किसके रूलर के टाइम पे राजस्थानी आर्किटेक्चर से इंस्पायर था? दैट इज अकबर. सो द आंसर इज अकबर. देन सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज, नेम ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आइडल्स विच सपोर्टेड इमर्जेंस ऑफ द एक्सप्रेशनिज्म? वो कौन सा था जो एक्सप्रेशनिज्म? दैट इज द रोमांटिज्म. दैट इज द आंसर इज बी, रोमांटिज्म. देन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, Who said the art is a significant form? किसने कहा है ये? So the art critic Cleve Bell. Cleve Bell said it's a book significant form. So you can check. Right. The next question is, in which museum bust image of Kushan Emperor Kanishka is housed? Where it is? कहाँ पे ये bust Kushan Emperor की Kanishka sculpture? Where it is? It's Archaeological Museum, Mathura. The answer is D. Right? So the next question is, which was the first newspaper published in India? That is the answer, yes, C, Bengal Gazette. Yeah, that is the first newspaper published in India. So these are the small questions, so you must learn it. It will really help you. In which year the Copyright Act came into force? In which year? It is 1957. In which year? 1957. Copyright came into force in 1957, right? Repeat at least 4 to 5 times so you will easily learn it, right? So yeah. Next question. The promotion is persuasive communication to sell all except. What is the not the part of promotion communication? That is the competition. That is the answer A, right? Now the question number 8, one advantage the publicity may enjoy over advertising is what? Answer A, credibility, right? So the next question, what is the medium of painting entitled The River painted by Prabir Gupta? कौन सा मीडियम है जो रिवर के लिए प्रभीर गुप्ता ने यूज़ किया है? दैट इज़ द आंसर ए, आयरन ऑक्साइड एंड एक्रेलिक कलर्स. सो या, सो दीज आर द फ्यू क्वेश्चंस. सो या, नेम द पेंटर ऑफ द जलियांवाला बाग सिंबल ऑफ अर्ज फॉर फ्रीडम? द आंसर इज व्हाट? एनी गेसेस? Share your answer in the comment box if you have any query. So guess, I'll give the 1 minute. So yes, the answer is D, Pranath Mango, right? So the next question is, which is located Raza Library known for Indian miniature painting collection? कहाँ है? That is रामपुर, right? रामपुर में. कहाँ पे है? रामपुर. So the next question is, who painted the splash front page in ink on canvas? Who painted it? It's M.F. Hussain. Who? The M.F. Hussain. So make sure कि M.F. Hussain is famous for horses also. So yeah. The next question is, evidence of the earliest rock cut architecture was found at. कहाँ मिला है सबसे पहले हमें रॉक कट आर्किटेक्चर? दैट इज लोमस ऋषि केव. वेयर इट इज द फर्स्ट रॉक कट आर्किटेक्चर? लोमस ऋषि केव. लोमस ऋषि केव. से इट अगेन, लोमस ऋषि केव. या. सो देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, Lothal and Kalibanga both are where? हड़प्पन साइड. कहाँ की साइड से? हड़प्पन साइड. Which two side? Lothal and Kalibanga. Say it again. Lothal and Kalibanga both are Harappan side. So answer is D. The next question is, the sculpture Japanese War is made by Japanese War God is made by. किसने बनाया है? Yes, the answer is C. Eduardo de Plazzi. Right? So answer is C. The next question is, Devi Prasad Roy Chaudhary is used to teach at where? The Government College of Art, Madras. Right? The answer is C. The next question is, in offset printing images are reproduced where? It's upside, right? So answer is the B. So the next question, if you are wanted to check the questions in the Hindi medium, so you can check, but I will only dictate and discuss in the English medium, right? So yeah. So the next question is, the name of these elements related to printmaking is what? Printmaking जो related है, that is etching. Etching is related to the printmaking. Yeah. Next question is, in the bull fight series Picasso used what? कौन सी टेक्निक यूज़ की बुल फाइट के लिए पिकासो ने? दैट इज़ द ऑफसेट लिथोग्राफी, विच दैट इज़ ऑफसेट लिथोग्राफी फॉर बुल फाइट हु पिकासो. सो ऐसे समटाइम्स क्वेश्चंस ब्रेक होके भी आ सकते हैं. इट्स नॉट कि एग्जैक्टली सेम है. सो मेक श्योर यू नो in every way. So always read the question properly and try to understand कि किस तरीके और how many types we can create of the same question, right? So the examiner can ask the painting name bullfighters related to which artist, that is Picasso, right? So make sure you know everything. So yeah, the next question is, the material spatulum is also known as what? Bitumen. क्या कहा जाता है? Bitumen. So the answer is D. The next question is, Rodin is a symbol as well as the impressionist. The reason, as Rodin combines two dominant directions of the 19th century art in his work. So the answer is D. A is correct and R is also correct. Rodin क्या था? एक सिम्बॉलिस्ट भी था और इम्प्रेशनिस्ट भी उसमें भी आता है, राइट? सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, टेक्सचरल सरफेस इन फिगरल स्कल्पचर क्रिएट लाइफ सेंसेशन. जो जितना हम स्कल्पचर पे एक टेक्सचर देते हैं, क्या वो लाइफ सेंसेशन देते हैं? या रीज़न, स्कल्पटर फाउंड इट अ न्यू टेक्निक टू मेक अ स्कल्पचर्स डिफरेंटली. So the answer so yeah, the next question is, the retail advertising is locally orientated and the retail advertising help in selling goods and services directly to the consumer, right? So the answer is both are correct, because retail advertising help in locally also and it's for goods and the services. So yeah, so the next question is, brand is the combination of name, the word, symbols or design that defines one particular product. So the answer is A is correct and R is not correct, right? So the next question is, the monument erected during the reign of Firoz Shah Tughlaq are strong, kinetic but simple. So because during his time there was a scarcity of artisans and less funding was available due to wrong policy of his predecessor. So guess the answer. So the answer is A. Both are correct, right? So the next question is 26. The contemporary art is complex in nature, right? And the reason, since it has grown out of mental environment of contemporary society where every individual has freedom of expression and his own sensibility. So yeah, so the answer is what? Contemporary art is complex or not? What according to you? If yes, then the statement is C is correct. So the next question is 27. 27, yeah. Etching print can be made by using metal plate or the hard surface, right? According to you, is it? Yes. Is it possible we can do the etching on any hard surface? Or the reason, check the reason. Etching is easily done without any technical support. No, that is not the correct. So the answer is B. A is correct and R is not correct. So the next question is, in India, the printmaking movement took place during the end of 20th century, right? So it was in peaked since many notable printmakers from USA worked in India during that time. So the answer, in India, print making movement took place during the end of 20th century, right? उसमें movement हुआ था end of the 20th century में. So the answer is A. Both are correct statements. So the next question is, illustration of Hamzanama in 12 volume show our dramatic treatment of events, broad handling, bright expressive color. Reason, Akbar was a man of literary and fine aesthetic taste who admired to depict the adventure of Mir Hamza, an uncle of the Prophet. Because the illustration क्या थी? हमजा नामा 12 वॉल्यूम से 12 उसके पार्ट्स थे और उसमें क्या बताया गया था? इवेंट्स ड्रामेटिकली किस तरीके से क्या होता था, हैंडलिंग, ब्राइट कलर्स में यूज़ की गई थी हमजा नामा की जो इलस्ट्रेशन ड्राइंग्स हुई थी, राइट? नामा मीन्स बायोग्राफी, राइट? सो बिकॉज जो अकबर था उसका क्रिएटिव और एस्थेटिक सेंस बहुत अच्छा था. सो द आंसर इज अगेन A. Both are correct. A and R correct. The next question is, G.R. Santosh is considered as a tantric painter. Tantric is like जो meditation type आपने देखा होगा, completely geometrical shapes के साथ जो work होता है, that is related to the tantric art. Since he hailed from Kashmir and practiced yoga tantra. So yes, A is correct and R is partially correct. So answer is A. So next question is, select the correct chronological sequence of the artists of Renaissance. So अभी हमें chronological देखना है कि कौन सबसे पहले था और कौन उसके बाद. No, ascending and descending हमें check करना है according to the given names. So yeah, so सबसे पहले आएगा according, the answer is A. Watsley, Donato and Vermeer, Leonardo da Vinci and Massico. Yeah, so the answer is A. The next question is, select the chronological sequence of Odyssean temple. अब उड़ीसा में आप जाएंगे तो सबसे पहले टेम्पल्स किस कौन कौन से मिलेंगे आपको उड़ीसा के. सो द क्वेश्चन, गेस द आंसर. not D. Its correct answer is C. Parasurmeshwar, Lingaraj, Vittadual and Sun Temple of Konark. Yes, so answer is C. So the next question is select the correct sequence of the technique in order as invented. So the answer करेक्ट सीक्वेंस, आपको सही सीक्वेंस बतानी है टेक्निक की कि कौन सी सबसे पहले टेक्निक आई फिर देन उसके बाद. सो द आंसर इज डी, ड्राई पॉइंट, मेटल, engraving, line etching and then aquatin. Alright, so revise it again and again, so it will really help you, these small questions. So the next question is select the correct sequence of material used in silk screen printing. What exactly the correct sequence? If you know the process of silk screen printing, so you can easily correct it. So you must know the knowledge of practical and the theoretical also. That's why I am always saying balance your practical and your theoretical, then you can achieve excel in your any of the field of visual arts, right? So the process of silk screen printing is, firstly we need to make frame. हम सबसे पहले frame बनाते हैं, then exposing the table, उसके बाद then printable table, then squeeze. एक वो जो रबर का हमारा होता है उससे squeeze करते हो तुम्हारे impression आ जाता है, right? So the next question, so according to that the answer is C, frame, exposing table, printing table and squeeze, right? The next question is select the correct sequence of factor affecting the client agency relationship. कौन से factors हैं जो आपके agency relations को affect करते हैं according to the plan? So the answer is chemistry, communication, conduct, changes, right? कि आप किस तरीके से डील कर रहे हैं, बात कर रहे हैं, कंडक्ट करा रहे हैं अपने आप डील. दीज आर, सो आंसर इज ए. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस इन ऑर्डर ऑफ मैक्सिमम परसीविंग एबिलिटी. सबसे ज़्यादा हम किससे लेते हैं? सबसे पहले देख के, फिर देन सुन के, स्मेल करके, टेस्ट करके. ऑलराइट, दीज आर द, तो आंसर इज डी. सिलेक्ट द क्रोनोलॉजिकल सीक्वेंस ऑफ द आर्टिस्ट. So the answer is Delacroix, Matisse, Brancusi and Hensel. So option is B. The answer is B. If you want to check the Hindi version, you can easily read it. Right? So yeah. The next question is select the correct sequence of steps. कि आप सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं? फाइनल आर्ट वर्क पेंट्स लेते हैं या फिर पेंसिल से ड्राइंग करते हैं. सो इफ़ यू नो द एग्जैक्टली प्रोसेस, सो या यू कैन ईजिली. फर्स्ट वी विल मेक द ड्राइंग, देन मेक इट, हम कुछ छोटा बनाएंगे, स्मॉल एक थंबनेल, मेक इट इज़ ऑल्सो लाइक थंबनेल, देन कार्विंग, देन फिनिशिंग. सो आंसर इज डी. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सिलेक्ट द correct chronological sequence of painting. What is the correct sequence? Brooding. According to the painting, we need to tell the artist's work. Brooding, Haldi Grinder, Cave Monastery, and Clarity. These are the sequence. So answer is C. Select the correct chronological sequence of the artists who worked on geometrical forms. Geometrical forms, I just told you, that is related to somehow tantric art or the meditative ones. So the first one is J. Swaminathan, G.R. Santosh, D. Khanna, Om Prakash. So the answer is D. Right? So just the next question. Match the following iconography attributes to their respective deities. कौन से को क्या, कौन सी iconology डिपिक्ट करती है, आइडेंटिफाई करती है? We need to match them. So First, observe it. Ushnika. It's very easy. It's related to Bodhisattva, right? Then B. Chakra. It's simple. It's related to Buddha. Trishula to Shiva. Then Kamandala, that is represent to Vishnu. So answer is B, right? So just learn it properly, revise it again and again, so you will know. Ushnika related to Bodhisattva. Ushnika related to Bodhisattva. Maitreya chakra is related to the Buddha. Trishul is related to Shiva, and Kamandala related to Vishnu, right? So revise it again and again. Match the following. So the next question is match the following sculpture to their respective sites. कौन कौन से sculptures किस location से किस site से relate करते हैं? Now we need to match them. So the first is Ravan shaking Mount Kailash. So answer is, it's very easy. Kailashnath temple. The answer is matching with the second, Kailashnath temple. Now B. Mahesha Murti related to Elephanta cave. So match with third. So C. Ganga Avtaran. That is related to Lakhu Udyar Nandan. Right? So that is C. Mauryan bull capital. That is related to Mahabalipuram. So the answer is D. 2, 3, 1, 4. The sequence of the matching is 2, 3, 1, 4. So the next question is match the following again with the artist and their birthplaces, or where exactly they are working. So Jay Jarutia with the third, Delhi, and then Lakshman Gond related to Hyderabad. Rini Dhumal related to Baroda, right? These all are the printer. Then Sanatkar related to Kolkata, right? So the answer is B. 3, 4, 2, 1. So the next question is match the following. Jagmohan Chopra is related to holography. Jagmohan Chopra related to holography. If you want to learn, just repeat it again and again. So yeah, you will easily memorize in the exam. Parag Jha Chiller. So the answer is first Aquatent. Parag Jha Chiller Aquatent. Right? Santkar is related to wood intaglo. Then the next is Palani Apan, that is related to drawing with the print impression, right? So these are the points, you need to learn it properly, so it will help you in the exam. So yeah, the next question, if you want to check in the Hindi, you can read it. So the next question is match the material with the sculpture medium. अब हमें स्कल्पचर का मीडियम बताना है, किस मीडियम को क्या कहते हैं और कब. किस मीडियम से हमको किस टेक्निक से रिलेट करते हैं. तो या सो कार्विंग रिलेटेड टू स्टोन को कार्व करते हैं. एंड मोल्डिंग, किसी चीज़ का मोल्ड आकार देना, डेट इज रिलेटेड टू क्ले को हम किसी भी तरीके से मोल्ड करते हैं. देन कास्टिंग रिलेटेड टू ब्रास, किसी भी तरीके का हम मेटल को पॉट करते हैं, दैट इज कास्टिंग. देन असेंबलेज मीन्स पूरा कुछ भी जंक है उसको हमने मिक्स करके कुछ 3D स्कल्पचर क्रिएट किया, दैट इज scrap metal. So the answer is C, 4, 1, 2, 3. The next question is match the following artists with their relevant creative work. अब उनके कामों से उनको मैच करना है. अभी हमने मटेरियल के साथ किया था. सो जस्ट चेक प्रदोष दास गुप्ता का वर्क कौन सा है. दैट इज द फोर्थ इन बॉन्डेज, राइट. एंड डेगास का है आपका डेगास वर्क फॉर बैलेट डांसर. सो या दैट इज लिटिल 14-year-old डांसर. कॉस्टाइन का है हमारा विच वर्क, द बर्ड इन स्पेस. राघव कनेरिया is related to the bull, which is the bull. Raghav Kaneria, the bull. So the answer is B, 4, 3, 1, 2, right? The next question, match the following. It is this tagline related to which Aishwarya Rai, right? And then end polio now. Who's the model? Was the model Amitabh Bachchan, right? Be a vegetarian. Be a vegetarian is for Menka Gandhi. Atiti Devo Bhava, right? Amir Khan. So you must know exactly. You can easily check the present model of different or the main brands like Bios, right? Related to SRK. There are so many things you must aware related to your surrounding also, so it will help. Match the following again. Next question, maximum point, सबसे ज़्यादा point size क्या होता है? That is 72 point. That is randomly जो होगा maximum. I'm not saying कि increase करके. So that is the point 72, right? Then entangled, interlaced initial, that is related to first cipher. Now the unit of resolution related to DPI, okay. And the pictorial illustrated text, pictogram. So the answer is 2143, D. Next question, match the following term with the painting medium. If you really take the help of this, so please like it, subscribe this channel, so you will achieve your goal in an easy way. Because I saw so many videos in Hindi, but I know, like me, when I wanted to crack, so I was searching for some related to English content, so that's why I created this videos in the English. So it will really help you. So just make sure you will just share your love, so I can easily create more videos and more content for you, and you can easily achieve your goals in an easy way, right? So just share your love on this, so yeah, we can both learn together. And you can share anything related to whatever you experience and whatever you want to ask to me, right? So yeah, so we have the last question for this. Match the following again. Ashit Kumar Haldar is third, Lucknow, and B.S. Sania is for Delhi. Ravindranath Tagore for Shantiniketan, right? And N.S. Bendre for Baroda. So the answer is B, 3142. So this much for this. This is the 50 questions, 1 to 50. So you must check and revise it again and again. So it will help you. You never know which question come in the exam again, because so many questions, sometimes so many questions repeat, exactly same question repeat. So just revise it again and again, so it will really help you to crack your exam. in one goal. So yeah, if you have any query related to any question, you can share it in the comment box. Yeah, that's all for this video. Share your love on it so I can help you more, right? So share it with your friends or your teachers. So yeah, that's all. Take care and have a nice day. See ya.